Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Walls, and today we're going to do an amazing review of wireless TWS earphones OPPO Enco M32. Brand is OPPO, the model is Enco M32, the price is 1,799. It was launched 7 days ago, which is 1 week ago, which is 5th January 2022. Model number is EWN20 and color is black. The type of is earphones, in-ear headphone type, and wireless connectivities. Details about this earphone is that it's having a microphone. Driver type is dynamic. And driver size is 10 millimeters. Number of drivers is 1. Water resistance is IP55. Weight is 26.8. Sound features are 32 impedance or OSMS. And we can say that the connectivity features is having the Bluetooth version 5, Bluetooth codec support SBC or AAC, and Bluetooth range is 10 meters. Battery features a charging port, USB Type C. Charging time is 3.5 hours. Battery life is 28 hours. If you like the video, subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification button, because if you turn on the notification button, you will be notified if we send a video. And that's all. And we will see you in the next video. And this is Tech World signing off.